What you're about to witness in the next few minutes will take your breath away. High-speed cars flying through the air, RVs slamming into trucks, motorcycles ending up tangled in traffic lights. Every clip is real, and every second is completely unpredictable. Stay with us until the very end, because the final moments are absolutely unbelievable. Let's get started. A car traveling at extremely high speed launches off a bump, lands hard, and rolls over several times in a dramatic crash before coming to rest completely wrecked in the bushes. Excessive speed was all it took to cause this spectacular accident. Inside a crowded restaurant, a white car suddenly crashes through the front window and plows into the dining area. It slams into tables and chairs, sending customers sprawling to the floor. The scene quickly turns chaotic as people scramble to escape, while the vehicle comes to a stop amid the wreckage and debris. In a residential neighborhood, a young man suddenly emerges from a driveway on a small motorized bike, unable to stop in time. He crashes head-on into a car's windshield in an unavoidable and especially violent collision. A man parks his white van and walks toward a nearby house. Moments later, the vehicle begins rolling backward on its own, likely because the parking brake wasn't properly engaged. He desperately runs after it, takes a hard fall, and the van continues rolling away without him. It appears the parking brake was not fully set on the sloped driveway. A simple routine action, forgotten just once, can lead to serious consequences.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Call 911! Call 911! Oh my God! Boy, you alive?
A white truck strikes a low clearance barrier. The impact causes the bar to swing violently, striking a pedestrian and knocking them instantly to the ground. A white SUV enters an intersection after the traffic light has already turned red. At that exact moment, a white van slams violently into its side. The force of the impact sends the SUV flipping multiple times, scattering debris everywhere in a dramatic cloud of wreckage. A gray car enters an intersection without stopping, cutting directly across the path of an oncoming motorcyclist. The collision is unavoidable. The motorcycle is struck violently, and the rider is launched into the air, thrown over the vehicle by the force of the impact.
Yeah, mine's down. Holy shit.
Call 911. Call 911.
On the highway, a military Land Rover towing a load begins to sway dangerously. The loss of control is sudden and severe. The wheels lift off the ground, and the vehicle flips completely onto its roof, breaking away from its trailer amid a trail of scattered debris. Share this video with your friends and family, drivers, motorcyclists, and cyclists alike. These real-life incidents can serve as powerful reminders of the importance of staying alert on the road, and may even help prevent future accidents. On April 3rd, 2024, a massive rock slide sends huge boulders crashing onto a mountain road. One enormous rock strikes the rear of a black vehicle traveling ahead of the camera. The scene ends in a cloud of dust, with the roadway completely blocked by fallen rocks and debris. A dark-colored SUV crashes violently into another vehicle at an intersection, sending debris flying across the roadway. The impact is so powerful that the struck vehicle ends up precariously balanced on top of the roof of a white car stopped farther ahead. A scene of complete chaos unfolds in the aftermath. A pedestrian suddenly steps into the path of a moving vehicle and crashes violently into the windshield. The impact is so severe that the glass instantly shatters and cracks across its entire surface, completely obstructing the driver's view in a fraction of a second.
Allah belanı vermesin senin. Allah belanı vermesin.
A truck attempts to cross a railroad crossing as a red freight train approaches at high speed. The train slams directly into the rear of the trailer, tearing it apart with tremendous force. The impact sends a massive cloud of dust and debris flying in every direction. A motorcycle crashes violently into the rear of a gray car as it turns at an intersection. The force of the impact launches the bike high into the air in an astonishing trajectory. The scene ends in a truly unbelievable way. The motorcycle becomes lodged vertically at the top of a utility pole, hanging right beside the traffic lights.
¿Qué necesidad? No, mira, este cabrón ya mamó. Sí o sí mamó. Se los vengo diciendo, verga. ¡A la madre, güey!
A woman opens the gate to let her husband's SUV into the driveway. Once inside, the parking brake is not properly engaged, and the vehicle suddenly rolls backward, dragging the woman and the gate along with it, before finally crashing into a wall across the street. A simple mechanical oversight and a forgotten safety step turn an ordinary moment into a serious household accident. Always make sure a vehicle is fully secured and immobilized before getting out.
There you go. About fucking time. Thank you. Oh, motherfucker, really? You fucking idiot. God damn it! God damn, that dude is not okay.
Call 911. Call. I'll call.
Dude's gonna take out the car. This guy's fucking at it, man. Gunshots, back up.
An elderly driver, apparently intoxicated, is seen driving a car that is missing an entire wheel. A short distance later, he comes to a stop and is quickly confronted by police officers. The scene is both bizarre and deeply concerning. It's hard to believe a vehicle in that condition was able to keep moving at all. The incident raises serious questions about the driver's condition and highlights the risks faced by everyone sharing the road around him.